This is the latest model of Abdullah dough kneader AE390. Its capacity is 3.5 kg max of kneaded dough. It comes with a plastic blade, a metal blade, a measuring flask, and the warranty booklet. Being checked for Daraz order on 18th December 2023. This is its original carton. The machine is okay from all the sides, as you can see. This is the back side. This is from the bottom. There are no damages. The machine is absolutely okay. Now we'll start it. The machine has started. This latest model has very low sound as compared to other models. This is Abdullah genuine Atta gundne ki machine, very famous in Pakistan. The best dough maker in Pakistan. It easily kneads dough within 3 to 5 minutes. It's a lifesaver for housewives. The timer has come to the off position and the machine has automatically stopped. So everything is perfect, and now we'll pack it in its carton for Daraz.